Day and welcome to 80s class morning. Today we'll be starting with the lighting of the lamp, followed by a dance by Sana Sabrawal, and then finally our play on quarantine life versus real life. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Our play in which we have tried to showcase how school life has changed for our students.
One hour later.
Oh no!
I was supposed to wake up at 6 and now it's 7:50. School starts at 8. Mama, why didn't you wake me up? The bus is already gone. No.
Oops.
What happened? कुछ भूल गए क्या?
Don't be mad, but I missed the bus.
Huh?
You'll drop me now? Obviously you will, now.
What are you doing? Oh, I'm joining. So early.
तुमने टाइम देखा है?
Sorry, I just joined as my light went.
It's okay. Open your textbook to page 31 and switch on your video.
I cannot seem to switch my camera on. There's some weird glitch in it today, but I'll try to fix it by tomorrow. Thank you.
Namaste, bachcho.
Namaste, ma'am.
Today we're going to have a test, so please keep all your books inside.
The test was so easy. What did you write for question 3?
I know, right? I wrote. What did you write?
I wrote digestive system.
Same, even I wrote that answer. अरे यार मेरा तो गलत हो गया.
Namaste students, we're having a formative assessment today. Everyone check the assignment section.
Do you know the answers for 2 and 3?
I won't. You should have studied for the test on your own.
Fine, then don't tell me the answers.
I don't want to help you cheat. Today, we're going to have a discussion on the topic I told you to read.
Oh no, I didn't read the chapter. Ma'am, can I go to the medical room? I'm not feeling well. And can you give me a note too?
Okay, take the note.
Can you answer this question?
Yes, ma'am. The answer to the question is.
What?
Oh man, I better leave the meeting now.
Hello? That was such a fail.
Bro, I'm scared. What if they call my parents? I'm in so much trouble.
What did you do in the summer vacations? Did you go anywhere?
Ma'am, I went to Italy and I stayed at beach and had a great time.
Wow, means all of you had a good summer vacations.
But ma'am, I just stayed at home and got bored the entire time. I didn't go anywhere.
You can go somewhere next vacations.
How have you all been spending quarantine? Did none of you do anything in quarantine?
I learned coding and how to bake. I've become more understanding and helpful towards the people around me, and I feel that quarantine has reminded me that I'm very privileged and has opened my eyes to difficulties faced by others.
this. Is this how you say namaste to the teacher? Say namaste properly, otherwise, I'm not starting the class.
Everyone, switch on your video. If you will not switch on your video, I will not mark your attendance. Now switch it on. Okay, let's start the class.
Mama, where's my uniform?
Okay, I'll go get your uniform for you.
Good night.
Oh my god, this is too funny. Wait, what time is it? It's only 12:10. I can go to sleep in another hour.
You're still awake? It's 12 o'clock. Go to sleep right now. Agastya! 6 months ago, if someone would have told me that a small virus in the hand that can be washed away by the simple method of soap would have caused a world pandemic, I would have laughed. A few months back, the word quarantine was not a part of our present, but now it's the most commonly used term throughout the world. When I used to think of the word quarantine, I used to think of sickness, sadness, and illness, but now, living through it, it's not so bad. It has many negative impacts, be it anxiety or the death of a loved one, but it's not completely terrible. It has made people more self-reliant or Atmanirbhar, and it has brought out the passions and talents of people all across the globe, be it baking, painting, or simply spending time with one's family. No one wants quarantine or the coronavirus to be a part of our present, but it still is. So why don't we make the most of it?
Thank you, editors, directors, actors, and everyone else who contributed in making our class morning. And to the audience, thank you for watching, and we hope you liked it.